Inaxsys is more than a security company. It's a team of professionals united by one philosophy: building reliable, modern, and scalable security solutions for the North American market. Founded in 2005, Inaxsys has been serving the security industry in Canada and the United States for over 20 years. Our headquarters is located in Montreal, one of Canada's key technology and business hubs. From the very beginning, Inaxsys has remained a family-driven company, built on strong human relationships, both within our team and with our partners. We also bring deep technical knowledge and hands-on expertise, built through years of real-world security projects and close collaboration with integrators.
Today, Inaxsys plays multiple roles within the security industry. We're both a manufacturer of security solutions and a distributor of leading security brands. Our portfolio includes video surveillance systems, professional VMS, access control solutions, including ICT, Ajax System products, and in-house design servers designed specifically for your security applications. This approach allows us to support projects of any scale, from small installations to complex enterprise environments. This allows partners to build unified security solutions where video, access control, and related systems work together as one cohesive platform.
At Inaxsys, engineering is rooted in real-world experience. We don't simply distribute equipment, we design, test, and adapt solutions based on how security systems perform in real installations. Our in-house servers are built specifically for security applications with strong focus on performance, reliability, and long-term stability. This enables our partners to deploy systems that integrate smoothly, scale over time, and remain dependable for years. In addition, we provide in-house technical support for both ICT access control, video solutions, ensuring deep product knowledge and fast practical assistance.
A key strength of Inaxsys is our strong local presence across Canada. Our sales teams is positioned across different regions of the country, allowing us to stay close to our partners wherever they operate. We're also proud to actively support and work closely with distribution channels across Canada. This regional coverage enables fast and direct communication, personalized support, and the ability to meet partners in person. We regularly visit partners on site to help plan projects, review system designs, support negotiations, and ensure solutions are prepared correctly from the start. Our team also provides in-person product training, helping partners gain hands-on experience and confidence in the field. In addition, Inaxsys actively organizes roadshows, regional presentations, traveling across cities in Canada to meet partners, share updates, and introduce new solutions. Inaxsys is an active CANASA member and a major sponsor of these industry events. We also maintain a strong presence at key industry events, including Security Canada exhibitions in Montreal and Vancouver, as well as Toronto. This local hands-on approach is how we build long-term partnerships.
Education is a core pillar of the Inaxsys philosophy. We invest heavily in partner development through certified training programs, technical workshops, regional on-site sessions, and hands-on demonstrations. By working closely with partners and supporting them in person, we help ensure projects are delivered efficiently, professionally, and with confidence.
Reliable availability is essential in security projects. That's why Inaxsys products are widely available across Canada through major distributors such as ADI and Wesco. This ensures consistent access to products, streamlined logistics, and dependable delivery in every region. Our goal is to simplify procurement, allow partners to focus on execution.
Inaxsys' marketing team plays an important role in supporting partners at every stage of the sales process. The team provides marketing materials, sales tools, documentation, and structured presentations that help partners clearly communicate value to their customers and position solutions effectively. These resources support partners during proposals, customer meetings, and project planning. At the same time, Inaxsys places a strong emphasis on educational content. The marketing team creates product overviews, technical tutorials, configuration guides, and training presentations, many of them produced in video format. This content is pushed on the Inaxsys website and on our YouTube channel and is regularly shared with partners through email communications. It helps partners train their teams better understand solutions, and work more efficiently in the field. By combining traditional marketing support with practical educational content, Inaxsys gives partners tools they can rely on every day.
Technical support is one of the strongest foundations of Inaxsys. Our support team assists partners with everything from basic setup to complex system-level challenges. And with fast response times and practical real-world solutions, we help partners move forward with confidence. At Inaxsys, technical support's not just a function. It's part of our commitment to long-term partnerships.
For more than 2 decades, Inaxsys has been built on a clear set of values that guide how we work every day. Collaboration, working closely across teams and with our partners to build strong, long-term relationships. Devotion, a genuine commitment to supporting our partners before, during, and long after each project. Knowledge, deep technical expertise developed through experience, continuous learning, and real-world applications. Excellence, a constant focus on quality, reliability, and delivering solutions we can stand behind. Looking ahead, Inaxsys remains focused on developing new products, strengthening technical expertise, and continuing to evolve as both a manufacturer and a distributor. As technology advances, these values remain the foundation of everything we do.
Inaxsys is technology proven by time. It's a team that understands its partners' challenges, and it's a company committed to growing together with the security industry. Inaxsys, we're creating secure solutions together.